Okay, guys, hello. Another one Saturday, another one video, and honestly, I'm scared. Open the box. Why? Because because the last time when I ordered, I used it 8 months from eBay. Excellent, refreshable, factory check, but after 8 months, touchpad it was broken. I sent a message seller on the YouTube. He didn't respond me. I'm talking about Panasonic Talkbook CF31 MK5. And after I ordered this January 2nd, and for 5 days it's arrived. Different seller, different model, different talkbook. This is a Dell Latitude talkbook laptop. Yes, and I'm scared open. That's what I'm saying. I'm scared open because I don't know what can I see. Yeah, now I'm signing the eBay. In the description, I'm gonna write everything about computer. Okay, now I don't know what can I talk about the computer. Because what can I say? Yeah, like this. I will read some. This is a Dell Latitude 14 Roget 5420 i7-8650U 32 gigabytes and 1 terabyte SSD, touchscreen, light keyboard, fingerprint, 4G, LTE, webcam, camo. I have a 1-year warranty. I buy from Allstate. Allstate, that's correct. And we'll see. We'll see, really. We'll see what's gonna happen. The seller is PSPARTSPROS 2300. The guy, so far so good. He responds me always. I can't complain about the message. And now I need to open. And also I'll try to open computer. Yes. My God. Which side it's used to open? Honestly, I don't know. Which side? The top? Which is? It should be this side. Yeah. I have a two option. Order from AliExpress or order from Best Buy. But for me, I like Talkbook because just I like laptop like that. No, because I need, because I love it. Okay? If you love something, you buy. Dell Latitude 14 Rugged 5420 laptop, i7-32GB, 1TB SSD. Touch, 4G, webcam, camo, item ID, blah blah blah. This is it. Okay, a paper. Bubble wrap. This is the charger. Charger is different from Panasonic. It's the smaller. Okay. Charger for the charger. There's it. Put this. Come here. Okay. Almost. The first view. Correct? You know what I'm saying? The first view when you see. It's still cold. It's still cold computer, and always I preferring the electronics, and when you bring from cold area to the warm, don't open, okay? Need the temperature be same. It's cold. It's cold. I don't have a 2 battery. You can use, depend which. That's a good. It's a good. Some scratch. Nothing I can say. It's not bother me because really I'm a little difficult person. It's not bother me. This is the port. This is another one port. Okay. There's a 2 USB. What else here? Panasonic CF31. I have a more ports, I think. I'm not sure, but okay. This is the SD card. There's the memory probably. What is this? Oh, this is a stylus. Yeah, there's a stylus for pen. It's inside. Yeah. Okay. Not too much port. Back. Did I open back? The lamp port. Say this. I'm gonna open all ports to present better. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This. And this side. Oh, another one? No. Is it? Okay. It's a good handle. 2 kilo, 2.2 kilo. For me, I don't know, it's not too much heavy. Let me open. How is it open? I know more about the Panasonic CF31, even this. Yeah. Nice. The big iPad. There's a fingerprint. I like a fingerprint, especially I told him for the fingerprint. You know, camel. I like the camel. The first time he said, I have a orange. Oh, no. No, orange I don't like, but it's light. It's a good pad. Yeah. This is a off on. I'm not gonna turn on now until the temperature is not coming. Same. Okay, guys, this is it. In description, I'm gonna write. Yeah. Also the camera. I like the camera. Have a privacy. You see what a privacy it is. You can close and. You know. Yes, like I'm saying, I will write on description to see what have inside in this talkbook electronics. This is the connection for dock. Yes, I'm happy. It's a good, yeah, it's a good computer. It's a good computer when you see, but we'll see when it's work. How is work? Okay, this is it. Thank you for patience. Thank you for my subscriber. And see you later. It's not too long video, but the point is we opened something today. Thank you, my viewers, and have a good day.